Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get Discord guild tags. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Discord account on either desktop or mobile. After that, click on the link given in the video description. This link will take you to a website or a Discord server that helps you find servers with available guild tags. Once the page opens, simply join the server. After joining the server, you'll be asked to complete a few basic requirements. These are very simple steps and are usually part of the server guide. Start by opening the server guide section and following each step one by one. First, jump into the general chat and send a simple message like, "Hi." Next, read and accept the server rules. Once you complete these steps, the server will unlock additional options for you. Now, look for the option that says Search Guild Tags using Bot. Tap or click on it, and the bot will show you a list of available servers that currently have guild tags. You'll see multiple servers with different tags to choose from. Take your time and pick the one you like the most. After selecting a server, join it. Once you're inside that server, go to Server Setting. From there, click on Edit Profile. Now scroll down until you see the Server Tags option. Here, you'll be able to select the guild tag associated with that server. Choose the tag you want, and then click on Save Changes. That's it. Your guild tag has now been added to your Discord profile. If you go to any server and send a message, you'll see the guild tag displayed next to your name, and that's how you can get Discord guild tags easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.